and you swipe it. Look at that. My beautiful creatures, you all are welcome back once again to our channel. How are you all doing? Happy Easter Sunday. Today is Easter Sunday and I hope you all are doing well here in England. It's absolutely amazing, fantastic weather. The kids are playing outside. Everything is so good today. I hope you all are doing well. Anyway, if you are new here, my name is RosesGlam, and on today's video I'm going to bring to you another wonderful video. If you remember my previous post, I said I'm going to tell you guys what this is all about, and I will show you, I'll demonstrate how you can use it. This is one of the products I did unboxing last time, and I said I will show you how to use it. Okay, so today I'm going to do that and you all will see. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's just hop into it. First of all, I'm going to show you my brush. To be quite honest, it's been a while, so I have not touched my brush. Like I told you, I'm going to revamp my makeup box, which is coming up soon. Is the next video that is going to come up soon, because I can't really do anything without clearing everything. In fact, I'm going to detox my makeup box. But first of all, I am going to do the brush cleaning today. As you can see, the brushes are very dirty, and like I said, it has not been like this. I always clean off my brush. But as we proceed, I'm going to tell you a lot of secret about this product. You know, there is not a paid advert. Please, disclaimer is just I'm in love with this product ever since I went to makeup school and they introduced it. I've never, even if I buy other brush cleaner, it's never the same. It's never the same. So all you need is this tissue. Okay, just get a tissue like this. You can use any other thing, but it's best to use a softer tissue because of your brush. I don't know how this works. Okay, this is our product. And you need something smaller to take the product because you don't need to pour it a lot, okay? Just tiny is enough. This is it. This is the quantity I'm going to take. You see how amazing this is. You take this one. First of all, these are the these are the beauty blenders. I put it here. This is how I wash my beauty blenders. I get a pair of socks, put them inside and throw them in the washing machine to wash, okay, which I'm going to show you guys later. They are all dirty. I just stuffed them here this morning. They are all dirty. Even the clean one, I just want to, you know, clear everything, wash everything. They are all dirty. So what I did was to put all of them here. I'm going to throw it inside washing machine, and when it comes out I will show you guys how it is. Okay, so you tie it so that it won't be everywhere. Just tie it tight. Close it. Yeah. Okay. Take this, fold it so that you can use both sides. Most of these brushes, they are so stained that when you clean it, you will not really see the real color because I've left the makeup on it for a longer period. So you take this, just dip it inside a little. You don't need to take a lot. Just, and you swipe it. Look at that. See. See. You don't really need a lot. I think I took a lot from this brush. I will use this just to make sure that it's clean. Okay. So since this has packed here, look at what I'm going to do. Instead of dipping this, I'm going to use this. Go ahead to remove the first dirt before. If there's anything left, I can, you know, switch it. So this is it. For instance, look at that one. Go ahead. Like I said, because I have left the makeup on it, whatever I use it for, it can never come out because of the color. The color has stayed for a longer period. It stays there, although it doesn't get stained or change the color of makeup, whatever you're going to use it for. But just note that it's not going to have any effect. Just the brush has changed color, that's all. And like I said, I'm going to be telling you guys about the secret of this thing. As I'm talking to you, I clean this brush. They are all dry. That's one of the thing I love about this product. They are all dry. So if you want to make up, or you are doing makeup and you need it for another person immediately, it's simple as that. You dry it off, you use it to clean it, and it's dried off instantly. You can use it for another person. Second thing about this, it kills 99.9% germ. Okay, you know, sometimes when you use brushes on people, you feel that, okay, you cleaned it with every other product that you have, you know. If it's not a 99.9% alcohol, there might still be some, you know, bacteria in the brushes that can transfer to another person's skin, which you don't want. You don't want to make up, and tomorrow after that, the person, after you made them up, they start having reaction, breakout, and all that. So these are the best way to clean it in order not to transfer any bacteria to the next person that you are going to make up. It's absolutely fantastic. It's quick dry, like they wrote. It's quick dry, quick rinse formula. Okay, 99.99% alcohol. It kills every germ in your makeup brush. And for those who make up like private people, they made up and they leave their brush like this one for a longer period. You don't expect me to use this brush like this. If I use it like this, definitely I'm going to have some breakout or some other things on my skin. All you need to do is just to use this, rinse it off, or even if you don't want to use it, get alcohol 99.99%, which I believe right before you in Western world you can get this in a pharmacy, and before they sell it to you, I think, although I don't know, but in Belgium it's very difficult for them to sell a 99.99% alcohol from pharmacy to you. You need to, even if they're going to sell to you, it's not going to be the quantity. It might be like 100 ml or so. Okay, so I will go ahead to clean up the rest of the brush. To use, for instance, let me take this one, this. See,
if I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you treat me like an object. Baby, we toxic, can we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it, Take my love, don't waste it, even though I don't mind waiting. Latest, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl, to praise me? Want you, I only want you, yeah. I only want you, I only want you. Pull me closer.
I'm done cleaning the brush. Some of the brush, they are not dirty, rather they have been there for a longer period. I've not used them. I had to quickly use the product and not the liquid to rinse it. Okay, so these are the brushes. As you can see, they are all cleaned up with this. Okay, some of the brushes are here, and I had to get rid of some brushes, which I'm still going to check from here to get rid of some, because these ones, they are no longer useful. I just got this brush. They are from, okay, it's not from Morphe, but like this one is from Morphe, but I don't like the way it is. It's not really mink lashes, it's like synthetic. You know, when I try to clean it, before you know it, it's like this. I don't really like the way it is. And also this one from Morphe, I don't like the texture. This from Anastasia Beverly Hill, I don't know what happened, it's it up here, so I'm not going to use this ones anymore. And this one is kind of bringing things out. I'm not going to use them again, so I'm going to So I'm going to get rid of this one. They are no longer useful, and as time proceeds I might still get rid of some brushes, but these ones I'm not going to get rid of them because the brushes are so expensive, to be honest with you. Here you can see the price. This is from the school, makeup school, MUD. The brushes are so expensive. They are very good brushes that worth, you know, investing on, but I don't have that kind of money now. I'll still be managing until I get the money, okay, to buy them. There are a few of them. I mistakenly roast most of them. You know, the day I was in a hurry in Belgium, I don't know what came into my mind. I wanted quick, you know, dry up. I went to put it in the microwave and they're all kind of gone. That was when I was like, no, I can't risk it again. I had to continue using my product, okay? So this is what I have now, a few of this. And yes, I'm done with this one. I'm going to keep it, you know, whenever I make up, I had to clean up the brush immediately. So if you like this video, I beg of you, give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And yes, in case you want to try this product, I will advise go for it. It's worth it. Even private users, you know what I mean by that, if you are somebody that doesn't, you are not a makeup artist, you just want to clean up your brush, tidy them, this product worth it. Like, in love with the product. It gives you what you want when it comes to cleaning up your brush. This product is amazing. And if you've used it before, do let me know at the comment section. And if you get it and use it and you love it, please come back and let me know, you know, review it and let me know what you all think about the product. So my brushes are set to go. The next video is going to be my makeup box, you know, detox. I will just use that word. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm talking too much. Thank you so much for watching. You know what, I will catch you up again in my next upload. But don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all.